Hey, good day, Tom.
Hey Ryan, thanks for your help with this presentation today.
Sure. So today we want to discuss our Nader pin nut.
So a few years ago, we were working with customers and they challenged us to find a simple way to be able to adjust their Nader pins. So we came up with a very simple solution.
Can you describe the application?
So yes, various bodybuilders use rotary latches and Nader pins to hold their doors securely closed. An example of this would be your car door. When you pull on the handle, it activates the rotary, which rotates around the Nader pin and releases the door so you can get out. Various bodybuilders use rotary latches and Nader pins to hold their doors securely closed. An example of this would be your car door. When you pull on the handle, it activates the rotary, which rotates around a Nader pin, and you're able to open the door. So vehicle bodybuilders need to be able to adjust their doors during the production process to allow for proper fit and finish. And they also need to be able to adjust their Nader pins. What our nut does is give them a very simple way to be able to adjust their Nader pin.
How do our parts get this done?
Very, very simply. So what the installer does is they drop our Nader pin nut through a hole in the frame, and then they thread their Nader pin onto the nut. They make their final door adjustments and then tighten down the Nader pin. You'll see on the nut, like in this picture right here, how it has a knurled surface on it. And what that knurled surface does is it bites into the substrate of the door frame, which locks that Nader pin and nut assembly firmly into place once the customer's got all their adjustments complete. So we offer this product in stainless steel. There's two designs. One's more of a square style for larger holes, as well as one that is more of a football shape. So if you have a smaller hole in your frame, you can still insert it easily.
That sounds great, and we're able to give Austin customers a simple solution.
Yeah, we appreciate the opportunity to help our end customers with unique solutions. Please call us anytime or visit our website at austinhardware.com for more information. Thanks, Ryan.
Thank you.